So for that you have to open your web browser or your YouTube app, and here you'll have to click on your profile icon, your YouTube profile icon. So if you are using if you are logged in a different YouTube under your Google account, then you can click on switch account and select that account. So once you are in your account, you have to click on your profile icon again and click on your data in YouTube. It will show you all the data of your YouTube. You can click on one comment here, but it will show you the number of comments you have made. It can be any number, so you have to click on there. So it will show you the list of comments you have made on that on which videos. As you can see, it is like showing me the comment, and it is also showing me in which video I have made this comment. So I can click from here to browse that video again and see my comment there. Also I can remove the comment from here as well. So that's all for today's video. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe. And also thank you very much for watching this video.